Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how the contrast between your thick and thin strokes transforms lettering into beautiful calligraphy. The pressure you apply and where you apply it makes every bit of difference. When forming your letters, think of it more like drawing than handwriting, so go slowly for now. You can choose to go fast and frantically to get different effects once you've gained in confidence. Think of the downstroke as the backbone of the letter that all the other strokes hang from. Come down, pushing hard on the side of the brush, and then use the very tip gently as you go upwards. Changing from a thick line to a thin line is called transition. This simply means you're getting ready for the release of pressure before you get to the end of the stroke you're making. Let me show you what I mean by writing the letter U. Come down with a thick stroke, but you know you're about to change and go up to form that curve. In preparation, start to release the amount you're pushing before you get to the bottom of the downstroke. Start gradually lifting off about 3/4 of the way down, which means by the time you need to go upwards with your thin line, you're ready. The same is true in reverse when you're changing from a thin line like on this N. Going gently up, as you go over the top and begin to go down with your heavy pressure, don't jam the brush down, but gradually increase your pressure. The aim is to build muscle memory so that it is instinctive for you to apply pressure on downward strokes to get that thick line and release that pressure when you're going up or linking letters to get a thin line. By practicing the transition between your thick and thin strokes, you'll get a fluid look to your calligraphy and your thick and thins will be all in the right places. So join me for the next video where I'll tell you what proportions are and how you can use them in calligraphy.